Hi friends, it's Maddie here, back at it again with another reaction video. And today we will be listening to Beth Hart's song entitled Caught Out in the Rain. This is going to be a live version. And a special request, thank you so much, Rick Baltimore. He clicked on the link in the description and sent his request through, and you can too. If you guys have a song request for me, make sure that you click on the link in the description and send it through that way. Let's get into it, okay? Ooh, but before we do, you already know what to do. Make sure you have subscribed and liked this video so the YouTube algorithm gods can bless us. All right, let's go. Ooh.
I'm under your spell. And it ain't nobody's business. I'm already there, child. And it ain't nobody's business.
She has such a soulful voice. It's crazy.
I'm already there, child. And it ain't nobody's business. Shame. Every time he walks out the door, I wonder, is he ever coming back? I can't help but love the taste of danger, babe, and the howl and the wind and the rough of his hand. I got caught out in the rain. If I die, I don't care. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love with this man. I got caught out, caught out in the rain. I heard him crying sleep last night. No man wants to be told that he been crying. When he wakes up, I tell him he's gonna be alright. But I know that he knows that I'm just a lion. I heard he shot a man in the street, and it tore his soul apart. Last night when he was making love to me, oh, there was another woman in his heart. I got caught out in the rain. If I die, I don't care. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love with this man. I got caught out in the rain, in the rain.
Epic.
by the side of his bed. I look to the ceiling, I come down by the side of his bed. I look up to the ceiling and I say, God, don't take my man.
Ooh.
God, don't take my man. God, don't take my man. God, don't take my man.
Woo.
God, don't take my man. God, don't take my man.
Amazing.
I don't want to live without a man. I don't want to live without a man. I don't want to live without a man.
Moment. The fact that she's holding the microphone so far away means that she can project her voice with that much power and that much accuracy so loudly. That's like such a skill. She's an amazing performer. Like, eyes are on her on the stage. She just has that captivating star power. It's so awesome to watch. This song is definitely a tragic song. She's singing it with, it feels like she's still singing it with pride, but she also is showcasing that she's feeling this misery and this pain, but she still has this just showmanship about her that I've never seen anyone else exhibit. She's spectacular. She's amazing. It's crazy. Epic, 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 epic. The band, they're amazing. And obviously Beth, she is a showstopper. She commands the stage. She captivates the entire audience. She's a superstar. That's amazing to watch. I really, really like watching her performances because it's like, I don't know what she's gonna do next. She has so many cool riffs, and it feels like I'm assuming that probably every single rendition of her songs if she's singing them live, it's probably different, just because when she's singing, it feels like she's coming straight from her heart and straight from her emotions and her feelings. So I'd imagine that every single performance is different just based off how she's feeling that day. And I think that that's so cool, because that's what art and expression is all about. So really, really cool one, guys. Before you leave, make sure you have subscribed and like this video, because it will help boost the YouTube algorithm gods in our, I guess, help the YouTube algorithm gods boost our channel in our favor. And also, if you have a video request, click on the link in the description below and send it on through. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!